Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to withdraw money in Trade Republic. Before we start, make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. So what you're going to have to do is simply go to Trade Republic and then simply click on login in the top right corner. Now after you log into your account, what you're going to have to do next is simply select transfer from your wallet or cash tab and then simply tap send. Then select the desired amount and again tap next. A summary of the payment will be displayed. Tap send and confirm your order using your SMS, which will be sent to you automatically. So basically that's all you have to do in order to withdraw money in Trade Republic. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.